I speak to birds and tell them where to fly. I sing the songs that you hear on the breeze. I write the names of the rocks and the trees. Oh, you fool, there are rules, I'm coming for you. Darkness brings evil things, oh, the reckoning begins. I tried to warn you when you were a child. I told you not to get lost in the wild. I sent you omens and all kinds of signs. I taught you melodies, poems and rhymes. Oh, you fool, there are rules, I'm coming for you. You can run, but you can't save. Darkness brings evil things, oh, the reckoning begins. You will open your grave. Oh, you fool, there are rules, I'm coming for you. You can run, but you can't save. Darkness brings evil things, oh, the reckoning begins. You will open your grave. Deep into the night, with the moonlight as my guide, I go wander through the pines and make my way to nature's shrine. And I look up to the sky, and I know you're still alive. But I wonder where you are, I call your name into the dark. I wake up in the morning, oh, and I don't know where I've been. All alone on a mountainside and huddled in the wind. And it feels like I've been away for an era, but nothing has changed at all. And it feels like I've been with you, oh, but what do you do and where have you gone? other side.